Hello, I have gotten a question from Holly. Holly, I'm sorry, it's been a couple months. I am still learning how to do this stuff. Anyway, I really want to get back to all my questions. So this was a great question that she had. She was asking me, I'm doing FLVS. Do I also do other curriculum or blended or only FLVS, or how am I doing this? Well, honestly, for me, it's only FLVS. But if I have a student that needs something else, then I will research out there. IXL.com is one of my other favorite resources, in addition to DiscoveryK12.com. DiscoveryK12.com. Those are some really good resources. If you have smaller kids, there's a website out there called kidzone.ws. Great printouts there and some other things. For older kids, we go to Khan Academy, okay? Otherwise, FLVS has everything you need. It has 4 core classes in addition to electives to take from K all the way to 12. So for me, one-stop shop is best, but if you need supplemental materials, because otherwise K-12, K through 5, FLVS K through 5 also has enrichment, which means they have other websites for coding, for reading, for math, and vocabulary. They have accounts for all these. So a lot of these other websites, you need an account to get into them, or you can go free only to a certain point. So FLVS only is my preference. You know, again, everyone has to kind of do what's best for them. Talk to your teacher. Talk to your teacher. If you sign up for 4 core classes and you still want other help and other things, talk to your teacher. They can tell you about resources. And if they can't, then talk to the principal or somebody else, or go under resources. Inside the dashboard, there are resources inside of resources. They have videos on the lessons you're doing. They have other supplemental and enrichment areas if your child is more advanced and gifted. So again, I hope that answers your question. I'm sorry it took so long. Keep the questions coming, guys. I'm trying to get them more promptly answered. Bye.